is an animal with dirt on his face.
Yeah.
His shoes are a terrible disgrace.
Look who's talking.
He's got no manners when he eats his food.
You got
He's fat and lazy and extremely rude. And if you don't care a feather or a bit,
that's the truth.
you may grow up to be a pig.
Not if I can help it, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar and be better off than you are? You could be swinging on a star.
Oh, yeah.
You could be swinging on a star.
Oh, yeah.
You could be swinging on a star.
Oh, yeah.
You could be swinging on a star. Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a mule?
Yeah, yeah, it's on you
A
now.
mule is an animal with 4 thorny ears.
Whoa.
He kicks up at anything he hears.
That's right, you cheat.
His back is funny and his brain is weak. He's just plain stupid with a stubborn streak. And by the way, if you hate to go to school,
Which I do.
you may grow up to be a mule.
I don't wanna grow up to be a
Would
mule.
you like to swing on a star?
Okay.
Carry moonbeams home in a jar
One moonbeam, two
and be
moonbeams.
better off than you are?
Whoa.
Or would you rather be a pig?
Yeah, yeah, it's on my dick
A
now.
pig is an animal